What's good, y'all? I'm back with another review from firekicks.cn. Of course, if it's the first time finding me and you like what you see, make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up, leave a like down below. To my returners, welcome back. So like I said, this is the first time that I will be reviewing a pair of Foamposites. And yeah, Foamposites are heavy as shit, first and foremost. I don't know how people can wear these or even hoop in these. That's crazy how heavy they are. But this, excuse me, this is a pair of this release colorway is called Cough Drop. These dropped last year for, I'm not sure what the retail are, but on Firekicks right now these are $160, which is a little up there, but it's better than retail or resale. Like I see them on Nike for $240. StockX has them for fucking $500. Chic $240. Pretty much the going price for these is $240. So I mean, you're still getting a good deal with $160. Like I said, these are the authentic versions. Excuse me. I'm not a huge Foamposite like connoisseur or know all the ins and outs of it, but I mean, these are cool. I like the colorway, of course, because it's something simple, so you can't beat it. And of course, the quality of the shoe is always on point. It's just a heavy ass shoe. Carbon fiber on that side, carbon fiber on inside, always solid. Same thing, other shoe. Again, these are the Cough Drops, $160. It does come in Foamposite box. Clean, simple, easy, smooth. And then another pair of foams. These are called carbon fiber, I believe. I wonder how much of the price difference it is. Carbon fiber. So again, retail is $240. StockX has them. You know, they mark everything up. StockX has a pair for $344. These released last year as well, in October. So called carbon fiber for a reason. You can see the shoe itself it's made. It looks like the carbon fiber on the sides. Just the entire shoe. I think the camera's like picking up the blockness in the shoe itself. It's actually pretty dope. Kind of look like a Batman shoe. The front is like a light, is that gray or black? I would say gray. So top half is like gray. Rest of the shoe, carbon fiber, except the bottom, icy blue. Well, icy blue trim. This one's pretty cool too. I would highly recommend these pair if you're a big Foamposite person. Carbon fiber, $160, authentic version. Shipping is solid. You don't have to worry about none of that. No tariffs or nothing like that. $160, authentic version. Yeah, man, I like reviewing new shoes. You know, like new shit that I probably would never cop. You know, just to see it in person. Because a lot of times you might see a shoe online you don't fuck with it, but then you see it and it's actually in hand. You're like, you know what, I like this. It's cool. And the fibers are more. This one kind of feels lighter than the other one too, so that's a plus. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about this review. Let me know what you want me to review next. Keep leaving those comments. Appreciate all the support, of course. And until next video, I'm out.